The National Water Commission (NWC) says the current dry spell continues to affect its main catchment facility at the Mona Reservoir. NWC Corporate Communications and Public Relations Manager Andrew Cannon warns the entity could therefore be forced to expand water restrictions due to the declining levels.
Now, because of these declining volumes, we really had no choice but to implement some temporary nighttime adjustments for, the customers who would have been served by the Mona Reservoir. So we're talking about communities, such as Windward Road and adjoining areas, Mountain View and adjoining areas. So we're hoping that this will change, but that is a hope. As, the fact of the matter is we really don't know with any certainty if and when we'll get the traditional rains that we are usually expecting to get in the September to October period. So we just have to, wait and see if things changes where the rainfall is concerned in those catchment areas.